president the issue of health centers that do not have national grid. And in my constituency, I have a Royal Health Center 3, which has electricity. I have Ombidi Health Center 3, which does not have electricity. I have Orivo, where the electricity poles are very close but are not connected. I have Riki. So going stage by stage, we have now started the process of elevating Orivo to Health Center 4. And the president came here, he made a commitment about it. But today, we are delivering materials and equipment to start connecting Ombidi to national grid. So there are 2 truckloads of concrete poles which we are delivering today. More vehicles will come and deliver. Eventually, a transformer will come and will be delivered to connect Ombidi to electricity. Now, that is a leverage for us because the road from the roadside to that health center is about 2 kilometers. Along that road, there are 2 trading centers that have been in blackout. There are churches, worship places that have been in blackout. There are communities that could use electricity but have not been able to do so. Many people have been taking their spouses to that health center to deliver. You're asked to buy a solar, you're asked to buy paraffin, to buy a lamp. So we believe this will address that matter. But also eventually after Ombidi, we have primary schools, we have trading centers, we have worship places down there, downstream, which we intend to be connected. So this is the beginning of the process. I am very happy that the president has responded to these requests timely, because it eases my work to go and ask the people, vote for candidate Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, because the man who is delivering on his promises.
And you?
And myself, of course, me, the one who is delivering, I'm the forefront. I am picking from the president and delivering to the people. So the people of Ivory East vote for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni as the President of the Republic of Uganda. Vote for Honorable Feta Geoffrey, the one who is delivering effectively, as you have seen.
Okay.